where do you want me to go? Like this?
No,
Over there?
no, that's to one side. So you're going to hold that rope there with your right hand. That hand stays near this buckle there.
There.
Stops your fingers coming up there and getting caught.
And this one?
That goes on that.
Like that?
Yeah, so the tighter you hold it, the slower you'll go. The less you hold it, the faster you go.
Right.
So if you shuffle your feet back.
Now?
Yeah.
You don't look very good.
Can we go?
Go if you're ready.
You ready then? Jimmy, are you coming?
Get the lift.
Jimmy, we're hanging about here. Fuck you, man. I might as well then. Come on.
That's it. Don't forget to stand up at the floor. That's it. Stand up. How's that? That was cool, man.
It was nice and dry actually.
Yeah, it was not bad, is it? Let's see if the fire was going to be nice and oh, what's me?
Oh, did we ditch him?
Yeah.
He was like,
Is he your friend?
no, we just met him today. Go on, Jimmy.
Get your legs straight. Get your legs straight.
There we go. Go on that, you ready?
That's it, Jimmy. Keep it a bit loose. That's it.
Jimmy.
Go. That's great.
Come on, bro. Kick out a bit, Jimmy. Kick out a bit. That's it. That's it.
Good. I have to go. We're digging in my side, man.
Yeah, no, he was with me. I know, that's why I said, Jesus.
Yeah, I forgot about that myself.
Go on, mate. You're nearly down. Go on, come down in style. Kick out. That's it. Well done, well done, well done. Bravo, well done. That's it. That's it. Well done, mate. You've earned your $5. Hey, well done, bro. It is, isn't it? I know, both of us are like, whoa.